First of all, you have to go to settings, Netsuite settings, and you have to put the credentials here. Then you have to save the credentials and go back to Netsuite dashboard. Okay, here you can select custom sync date range and select any custom date range you want to import the data, and click on import, and then select contact customer or vendor, and then just refresh the columns and select the fields you want to map in Odoo, like name for the first name and other fields as you want. Okay, then you just have to click on import. It will create a login for you, and there's the logger for the customer imports, and then you can see the queue which is generated for the imports, right? Here is a customer queue. Then we can see our customer which are imported on Odoo. These are the customer contacts are imported in Odoo. And for the product, we just have to select the import and refresh column and select our mapping fields here. Then click on the import button. It will create some logs for the import of products. Here you can see the logs, and here you can see as well the queue. So if we go to the product section, we can see the products as well. Okay, these are the products which are imported here in Odoo, and same for the sale orders. Just have to click on import and click refresh column, then select the field mapping you want to map in Odoo and click on import, and it will create the logger for the sale orders as well. And then you have some queues to import uh, sale orders for created logs. Okay, and here you can see sale orders. Here are the some sale orders which are imported from Netsuite. And same for the purchase order. You just have to click import and click on refresh column and select the mapping fields and click on import button, and it will create again for purchase order logging and create the queue to import uh, to scheduler. Okay, and we can see the purchase orders as well which are imported from the Netsuite.